Gluteal Scissors. Begin by lying down on your back with your knees bent and your feet standing. Lift and lower each shoulder, flattening the shoulder blades against the floor. Place the feet parallel and press into them equally, rolling up the sacrum and the low back to rest against the back ribs. Place the Myssage balls underneath the hip bones. Lower the pelvis back down into pressure. Use a 4-count breath in and a 4-count breath out to soften into the pressure. Now, heel-toe the feet wide and allow the left knee to lower inward across the midline as far as it will go. This increases pressure on the right side. Inhale the left knee back up. Exhale the right knee down across the midline. Breathe deeply into the pressure on the left side. Inhale back up. Exhale the left knee down, rolling onto the big toe side of the left foot. Inhale back up. Exhale the right knee down, rolling onto the big toe side of the right foot. This is called scissoring the knees. Continue this movement, merging it with your breath. When you are ready, heel-toe the feet back to center. Press into them equally, curling up and out of pressure. Remove the Myssage balls and roll back down the spine to rest against the sacrum. Take a moment to track sensation and notice.